mid to upper 60s. Northwest winds 5. National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Essex County in northern New York, northwestern Windsor County in southern Vermont, southwestern Orange County in central Vermont, Chittenden County in northwestern Vermont, southwestern Washington County in central Vermont, Addison County in central Vermont, northeastern Rutland County in southern Vermont until 4:30 p.m. At 3:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over East Charlotte, moving south at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include South Burlington, Essex Junction, Brenton, Bristol, Burlington International Airport, Essex, Addison, Williston, Winooski, Shelburne, Jericho, Randolph, Hinesburg, Richmond, Charlotte, Underhill, Ferrisburg, Bethel, Willsboro, and Moncton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If on or near Lake Champlain, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. Now a